from the past towards the future. At the center of Nairobi, we build a sustainable, integrated, and iconic city for all. The Nairobi Railway City, the future of Nairobi. The economic hub of East Africa, Nairobi. Nairobi is not just a capital city of Kenya, but also a main hub city of entire East African region. Nairobi started in the middle of the East African Railways that connects the port of Mombasa to Kampala of Uganda and formulated the metropolitan area with nearby satellite cities. Nairobi Railway City is located on position in the greater Nairobi CBD area, which is the very center area of Nairobi and is close to the international airport. The Nairobi Railway City is a new growth engine that will bring about changes and competitiveness for the international city, Nairobi. This project is to develop 176-hectare area, including the Nairobi Central Station and neighboring areas, including marshalling yard, workshop areas, adjacent to the Nairobi Central Business District. The Nairobi Railway City will be a linchpin of the future greater CBD of Nairobi. The land use plan consists of the three main activity cores of MICE Core, Center Core, and East Core, which are all connected by street commercials, which will be the longest shopping promenade of East Africa. The international office area is located in the west, and the residential area is to the east. The commercial area and cultural spaces using the previous railway headquarter building are placed in the northern part of the development area. We have also built the R&D area, especially to be linked with Technical University of Kenya to create a synergy. Park and green space are well distributed to ensure easy access from whole areas. The pedestrian corridors connect existing major walkways with neighboring areas, including Moi Avenue, Uhuru Park, and Eastland, to create a pedestrian-friendly environment. Workshop Road, Enterprise Road, and Commercial Road, which have been disconnected due to the railway area, will be connected again, so that Nairobi traffic condition will be improved. The 4 BRT lines will be especially integrated with the transit center of the Central Station, enabling us to achieve a multi-modal hub of Nairobi. The Nairobi Railway City is a multifunctional city with 30,000 residents and 210,000 daily visitors that will play the role of the city center of Nairobi based on its strong connectivity with surrounding areas. Development of the Nairobi Railway City will be implemented in 11 precincts, adapting to the site-specific conditions. The heart of Railway City, multimodal hub. Nairobi Central Station. Nairobi Central Station is the centerpiece of public transportation, where people can transfer to a variety of public transport options. Central Station is connected to Moi Avenue to strengthen the connectivity of the current urban transportation network. It will also provide a direct transit to Railroad Station. The street commercial is a pedestrian corridor connected to link the Upper Hill and Eastland, with various interesting and entertaining commercial facilities. MICE Core is the international business hub of Nairobi, where MICE business infrastructure will be built up The current urban KICC and golf courses will be connected with MICE Core to create synergy as the MICE leader city of East Africa. A modernized food market with decent restaurant within the East Core will invigorate the city. A police station and fire station will secure the safety of the city. The housing zone will have various types of apartment houses built up with schools inside. This area will be the premier residential and educational area in the city center. The Kenya Railway Zone, where the Kenya Railway Headquarter building is located, will be reborn as a Kenya Railway Cultural Center for all citizens. An international business city with full of vitality of 24 hours. A transportation hub city that connects all surrounding areas. An iconic city that moves towards the future. A sustainable, integrated, and iconic city for all. The Nairobi Railway City promises to transform Nairobi into the greatest international city.